Hi, I'm Shelley Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. It's time for a class update. My class has been designed around your frequently asked questions, the questions you send me over Gmail. And mostly what I'm trying to do is show you how to use doll measurements to alter patterns you already own in this class. So it doesn't matter if you are sewing for an 18-inch doll, an 11-inch doll, a 10-inch doll, an 8-inch doll, even smaller than that. Use your doll measurements with the patterns you already own, and you'll learn how to lengthen and shorten skirts and pants patterns. You'll also get my magic resizing formula, which shows you how to take a doll clothes pattern that's too small for your doll and make it bigger. Or vice versa, how to take a big pattern and make it smaller to fit your doll. So these techniques will work for all different sizes of dolls, and I am so excited to be involved with Creative Spark in making this great class for you guys. We're going to do all kinds of ways to alter patterns just so that you can build a wardrobe of your dreams.